If you have a website, I have a question for you. What you do with the visitors that come to your website? Do you let them go waste or you convert them into the leads? Most of the people put the form on the website and convert some kind of leads over there. But do you know how many leads you waste? How many traffic you waste by not converting those people into the leads? Some people even go a little ahead and put the like chatbot like this where there's a form to fill. But again, this is a form, right? Like today in this video, I will show you an amazing way that you can build where people not just fill the form, they can actually talk to your website and then you'll collect the details much more faster than that. And also you can get much higher conversion from the website traffic that you got. So you see it like this, it will appear like this. And when people click on that, they can actually go on a direct one-on-one call with the AI agent on your website. They don't even have to use their phone. They can simply click this button and can talk to the AI agent live, right? And I will show you how you can do that in the GoHighLevel in an easy way, right? So first of all, open your GoHighLevel account, right? On the left hand side, click on the AI agents, okay? Over here, you will see the option called Voice AI. Click on the Voice AI and then you will see this option Dashboard Logs, right? So first, if you never created any AI agent before, it will show blank, right? Click on the go to agent list and here it will also blank for you. So first of all, you have to create a new AI agent. So click on the create agent on the right hand side, create agent. Now you have two options. Either you can choose the pre-made templates or you can create a custom one. Let's see the templates that we already have. So click on continue and then you can see a lot of different templates over here. So this is Samantha, which is AI sales girl, right? This is front door AI. This is all-in-one receptionist. This is pet safe AI. This auto repair and service AI bot, right? This Abigail, right? This is like self-selling voice AI agent. Plumby, Grace. So there are different pre-made templates. Basically, like these some of these templates are like pre-established and guided with some specific data on how to act. Okay, but you don't need to basically go with any kind of template. You can simply create your own customized AI agent that will live on your website like this and can talk to the people, answer their queries, convert them into the leads and generate your sales even. Okay, so let's see how you do that. Click on create agent, choose a create custom agent and continue. Okay, now once you do that, first of all you have to decide what name you want for your agent. So let's say we can give it a name, let's say Frederick. All right. Now, what do you want your business name? So, let's say I'm saying automation agency. You put your own business name. I just put some random name here. Okay. In what language do you want it to talk to? English, French, Japanese, German, whatever language that you want it to be. Choose that language. Okay. They have all bunch of languages over here, right? Then what voice you want. So if you click on that, even you can hear the voice, the demo,
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk.
right? Now if you click on this, you can hear multiple different voices as well over here. So let's say we have a library of voices.
The 90s were fun because it was a time full of new trends, creativity.
This is Dakota. Let's see Christoph.
Chris McGuire here from Chicago. I turn complex ideas into clear, engaging stories.
In the stillness of contemplation, the universe whispers its secrets, waiting only for a heart that is open enough to listen. In the
All right. And in case if you want to use your own voice, you can also do that. If you click on my voice, right, you can add your own custom voice even here. Okay. So if you click on custom voice, what you have to do, first of all, you have to create your account on the 11 Labs and create a clone of your voice over there. After that, you can put the ID of your voice here. And once you do that, you can simply import your voice from the 11 Labs into the GoHighLevel and use that voice to answer the queries of the customers, right? Or the people who come on your website. So let's say I choose this voice, okay, and I click on save. So now we have destinations. Now you have to choose a time zone. So whatever your time zone, you can choose that. In the LLM model, GPT-4o is a recommended from this. Why? Because it consumes less tokens, right? And it's also good. But you can also go for the higher, right? So let's say we go for the GPT-5, which is smartest one right now. Okay. Then what's the agent initial message should be? The initial message will display here. Okay. So whatever message that you want, you can simply put over here, right? So let's say we just say, hey, how can I help you today? Right? Simple like that. Or hey, let's talk on a call. Or something like that. Right? Now, once you do that, click on next. Okay, one more thing that I have to show you. If you go back, here you can do some more advanced settings. So if you click on that, you can choose what's the maximum call time you want. Right? When it's saying call time, what exactly this is for. So this call time when it call, right? What the maximum time you want this agent to talk to, right? Ideal time and reminder frequency that you want. Okay, how do you want the agent behavior? That you can also change it, right? So do you want more sensitivity on this response speed? Do you want it like to be moderate, to be fast? I would say fast is okay. Even you can go moderate, right? Sensitivity that you want. So AI can be interrupted during a speech. I would say it's good to be interrupted because so that it feels more natural. Then a temperature that you want, right? How creative you want this AI to be. Now, if you put very high temperature and you let it to be way creative, it can go beyond the knowledge base, the data that you provided it to act on. Okay. So I would say you keep it little less, right? Maybe somewhere less than 0.5, not too much. Because if you let it go too high on the creativity, it can even say the things that is not true for your business, which is not good. Okay. So you have to manage the creativity that you let it go be. Then enable back channeling. So enables the agent to use affirmative talks like yeah, oh, I would say yes, because this makes it more what's it real sounds like a human. Okay. Because otherwise it will sound like a real AI that is very boring. If you make these things like yeah, things like that, that sounds more natural. All right. Then back channel frequency, how much you want? I would keep it like around 0.5. Okay. And you can also give your own word list if you want. If not, that is okay. It can also take automatically, right? Then the voice settings. This is the most important one. Then the voice speed you want. How fast do you want it to speak? Voice temperature. Okay. So this brings the variability and the expressiveness in the voice. You can adjust it and see what fits for you. Voice volume, how you want it, I would keep it 100% because that is good. Then background noise, like to make it more realistic, even you can add the background noise as well. So you have multiple voices like do you want it to be like from the coffee shop, conversation hall, summer outdoor, mountain outdoor, static noise, call center, whatever you can choose. Like now, when people click on your call button here, try to talk to, they feel like they are talking to a real human instead of feeling like they are talking to an AI. So that is really good. If you want, you can add it, right? If you want to keep it clean, then you can keep it clean as well. Noise cancellation mode, remove noiseless background speech. You can choose that. So unwanted background noise or speech, it will clear that, right, from the recording. So once you've done that, click on confirm. Okay. And now click on next. Now what the goal of your agent? You have to choose that. So for that, first of all, you have to select your knowledge base here. Create your knowledge base. For that, how you do that? Click on create new. Over here in the knowledge base, you have to click on create knowledge base, and over there you have to input the data. So let me show you. Let me go to the existing one. Here you can put multiple data, right? Like you can, if you have the websites, you can simply put the website link over here, and it will automatically scroll the website. It will go through all the content on the website and figure out the content from that to answer the queries, right? If you have some FAQ study, you can simply put the FAQs over here. All right. And this will use this FAQ to answer the customer queries. If you have the tables, you can add the tables. If you have the rich text, like for example, you just have the text that you wanted to write here, you can simply write the whole bunch of text. And it's a very big limit, 25,000 characters, so you can go with. Okay. And if you wanted to upload the files that you have, you can upload the file about your business, about your business voice, your business brand, mission, vision, products, target audience, right? Your offer, your pricing, everything. You can upload the data over here. and then it will take the data, and when the customer came on your website, asked the questions, it will answer based on that particular data. Alright? So you have multiple ways, multiple data that you can fit over here. Now I'll go back. Once you're done with that, go back to the voice AI. Okay. And click on the my agent list, the latest one, this one. So yep. Now we done with the agent name. Okay, let's go back. It was, yes, this one. So we haven't saved, so the settings are not saved. So I'm now giving the name Richard. I don't remember what name I gave last time. Business name, automation agency, let's say. Okay. Here, not Jessica, we choose the Daniel says. Cancel, choose this. Save. Okay. Model, we choose GPT-5 again. Hey, let's have a call. All right. Then we go on the agent goals. Again, now we have a knowledge base. We can select the knowledge base here. Now, details that you wanted to collect from the contact. What you want. The name, email, do you want address, do you want contact issue? I just recommend name and email, right? That is good only. Then trigger workflow when call is completed. So in this case, for example, you are collected the name and email, right? You can also create some kind of trigger that automatically send that email to that customer, to that visitor that come to your website. And that will help you a lot to grow your business, right? Because for example, someone came to your website, now immediately you are sending them based on the website, based on the call text, call content and call context. For example, customer asks for the sales related questions, you can send them an offer on the email. For example, customer asks for the related queries related to the your webinar or something, you can send an email regarding that information. Okay, you can build a complete automation for that. So if you want to trigger any kind of automation, you can do that. I am keeping it off right now. Receive email notification post call completion. I would say keep it up so that you get the notification when someone come to your website and do the call, right? If you are the customer support person, you can keep it on for yourself. If someone else in your team is doing the customer support, assign that user over here, right? Not all user, a specific user, and you can choose that user over here, or you can simply give the custom email. What you have to do next, click on the save first of all, then phone and availability. Now if you want to use this agent even to do the phone call for you or to receive the phone call, so let's say someone do the call to your business, right? And the people in your team is not available to take the calls. This AI tool, this AI agent can take the call for you and talk to the customer. Even this AI tool can do the sales for you, right? I'm not coming to the sales part right now. I will make another video for that. But right now, this can use as a customer support for you as well. So for example, someone do the call to your business and you are not available, your team is not available. This can pick up the call, answer the query of the customer, even do the sales, right? So first of all, you have to choose a number. I don't have any number right now, but for that you have to buy the number and then you can use that number over here. Okay. In case if you wanted to buy a number, that number is not available in GoHighLevel, you can go to the Twilio, create your account on Twilio, purchase a number over there, and then you can move that number here and use it. Okay. Now enable AI agent as a backup of the phone call. If you want this, you can keep it on. Otherwise, you can keep it off. Up to you. Then if you want this to set working hours, I would say this is AI agent. Why to set any working hours? Let it run all the time. Okay. So no working hours. It should be work all the time. And keep this one on. Okay. Now dashboard and logs. So here you can see how many calls this AI agent did, how many times it triggered, right? What's the sentiment, right? Response from the people, how many calls completed, what total minutes it talked to, average call duration, and all the call history, the contact name, phone name, date and time, duration, everything here. Okay. And how many outbound calls. If you are going to use it for the outbound calls, you can also see that like the data over here. So this is really cool feature if you wanted really to get the most from your traffic on your website from your landing page. Use this. Set up your own custom voice call agent chatbot on your website and get the more leads from your business. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. And if you wanted to learn more advanced stuff about the AI, you can join my membership. The link is in the description. You will learn more about the AI and the automations and how you can use AI to grow your business. Okay. So hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.